Good afternoon, children. All is well? Yes. In previous class, we studied a small beautiful poem about little Bedi and her mother. Okay? I hope all of you wrote that poem on your notebook. Okay. Today, we are going to study a moral story of Grandfather Frog and Jerry Turtle. Okay? Okay. Please listen this picture. How is this picture? Very beautiful. Okay. In this picture, we can see three animals: little monkey, a big frog, a turtle. Okay. We can see this is a big green color frog named as Grandfather Frog. This big green color frog is Grandfather Frog. The little monkey. This little monkey is a naughty monkey named as Billy. Billy is the little monkey, little naughty monkey. Naughty monkey. This is a Jerry Turtle, our Jerry Turtle. Another character is present in this story, a white crane, a white long legs crane, a white long legs crane. Okay, this is the picture of white long legs crane is also present in this story. A white long legs crane also present in this story. Okay, a white long legs crane, a little naughty monkey, and a big green frog and a Jerry Turtle are the characters of this story. Okay, please listen your textbook and okay. Discuss in class. Please note the discuss in class. Have you ever played a trick on someone? No. Did you think it is a good thing? No, it is a bad thing. It is not a good thing. We always respect elders and do not play tricks on others. Okay? Okay. I read the textbook. Please listen. One day, Grandfather Frog was resting near bank of Smiling Pool on lily pad. He was a big green frog. He had just had breakfast and was sleeping. On the other side of Smiling Pool was Billy, a monkey. Billy was a naughty monkey. He liked to play tricks on others. He saw Grandfather Frog sleeping. He decided to scare him. So, off he went to Laughing Brook. He saw Longlegs, the white crane. He went up Longlegs and said something her ears. Both of them nodded. Soon, Longlegs flew up and Billy was on his way Smiling Pool. All this time, Jerry Turtle was watching Billy. Jerry knew that Billy was up to some mischief. So, Jerry Turtle went to Grandfather Frog. He jumped into Smiling Pool with a loud splash. Grandfather Frog, wake up. What are you doing? Grandfather Frog asked Jerry. Thinking, said Grandfather Frog. Anyone can see you if you sleep like this, said Jerry. Grandfather Frog said, yes, I should be more careful. Then Jerry Turtle wondered. I saw Billy. He is going to play trick on you. You better be careful. Thank you, said Grandfather Frog. I will be nearby. If there is a trouble, I will jump near your lily pad, said Jerry, and he went back. Soon, Grandfather Frog closed his eyes, began to sleep again. A few minutes later, Longlegs came to Smiling Pool. She saw Grandfather Frog was asleep. Or that is what she thought. She flew close to Grandfather Frog, and Grandfather Frog saw her coming near him and yawned. He moved his head from one side to other. Longlegs stopped and waited for Grandfather Frog to fall asleep again. At last, when Longlegs thought Grandfather Frog was sleeping, she jumped at him. She tried to grab him in her beak, but Grandfather Frog jumped with a splash into water and swam away from Longlegs. Okay, I explained this story for you. Okay, do you like to hear the story? Yes, please listen. Okay, we can see the picture of Billy, Grandfather Frog and Jerry Turtle in your textbook. Okay, one day Grandfather Frog resting near the bank of Smiling Pool in a lily pad. Okay, this is the bank of river. The side of river, land side of the river is known as the bank of river. Bank of river, the land on the two side of the river, land side of the river is known as bank of river. Next, lily pad. This is the lily pad. The leaf of lotus is known as the lily pad. Lily pad is a very large leaf of lotus, water lily or lotus. Large leaf of water lily of lotus is known as the lily pad. This river is known as the pool. Lily pad on the Smiling Pool. This river is known as the Smiling Pool. This is the naughty little monkey Billy. This is the Grandfather Frog. This is the Jerry Turtle. The bank, land side of the two side of the land is on the river is known as bank of. This is the Smiling Pool. This is the lily pad. Okay, one day Grandfather Frog was resting near the bank of Smiling Pool. One day Grandfather Frog resting the bank of river of Smiling Pool. Smiling Pool means this river is known as the Smiling Pool. Near the bank of Smiling Pool. Grandfather Frog rests on the lily pad. Lily pad means the leaf of lily flower. The large leaf of lily flower. One day, our Grandfather Frog resting on the lily pad in the Smiling Pool. Okay. He was big and Grandfather Frog, he was a big and green in color. He was big frog and green in color. Okay. Next, he was big and green in frog. He had just had breakfast, head was sleeping. Just after breakfast, he started to sleeping on lily pad. Okay. Just after breakfast, he start to sleeping on lily pad. Okay. On other side of the bank, Smiling Pool was Billy. On other side of the Smiling Pool, we can see the Billy. Billy, a monkey. Billy was a little naughty monkey. Naughty, very tricky monkey, very energetic and a small little naughty monkey. Okay, naughty monkey. He liked to play tricks on others. He always liked to play trick on others. It is not good. Trick on others. Do not play trick on others. Okay. The naughty monkey liked to play trick on others. Okay. He liked to play trick on others. He saw Grandfather Frog. Little naughty monkey Billy saw Grandfather Frog sleeping on a lily pad. He decided to scare him. Scare. What is the meaning of scare? Please listen your new words meaning. Scare. Make someone feel afraid. That's scare. Naughty monkey, decide to scare our Grandfather Frog. Okay. So off went Laughing Brook. So he went to Laughing Brook. He go to Laughing Brook to see our white crane, long legs white crane. He decide to see the long legs white crane. He decide to see long legs white crane at Laughing Brook. Brook means small river. Small river. The white crane in the brook. Another place is known as Laughing Brook. Another place is known as Laughing Brook. Little naughty monkey traveled to Laughing Brook to see our longless white crane. Okay. He saw Longless and white crane. He went up to Longless and said something hilarious. Little monkey says something Longless ears. Okay, says something Longless ears and very small in sound. Longless ears. Okay. Yes, both them nodded. Yes. Okay. Both them nodded. Nodded means move the head up and down. Yes means okay. Soon Longlegs flew up. Fly to the smiling pool. Billy was on his way smiling pool. Also Billy also go to smiling pool. All this time Jerry Turtle watching Billy. All this time Jerry Turtle watching naughty Billy. Okay, Jerry knew Billy was up to some mischief. Okay, Jerry think Billy was up to some mischief. But it's a trick or something naughty. Jerry Turtle think Billy play something naughty. Okay. Jerry Turtle went to Grandfather Frog. Jerry Turtle going to our Grandfather Frog. He jumped to Smiling Pool. From the river bank, Jerry Turtle jumped to our Grandfather Frog. Near to our Grandfather Frog. Jerry Turtle jumped from the river of bank to the near to our Grandfather Frog. Okay, Grandfather Frog wake up. Suddenly, after jumping the Jerry Turtle, Frog wake up. What are you doing? Our Grandfather Frog asked to Jerry. Thinking, said Grandfather Frog, anyone can see you if you sleep like this? Said Jerry. Okay, Grandfather Frog said, yes, I should more careful. Oh, I am very careful. Yes, I am very careful. Then Jerry Turtle wondered. Told some to be careful. Wonder means told some to be careful. Okay. And I saw Billy. Jerry Turtle said to our Grandfather Frog, I saw Billy. He is going to play a trick on you. Jerry Turtle says something to Grandfather Frog. I saw the Billy. He plays some tricks on you. Okay, you better careful. Jerry Turtle wondered, I saw Billy. He is going to play trick on you. You better be careful. Jerry Turtle asked to our Grandfather Frog. You better be careful. Thank you, said Grandfather Frog. Thank you, the Grandfather Frog to our Jerry Turtle. I will be near if there is trouble. I will be nearby if there is a train. I will jump near to lily pad, said Jerry and went back. After saying this, Jerry Turtle went back to our bank of Smiling Pool. Okay. Soon Grandfather Frog closed his eyes. Soon after Jerry's conversation, Grandfather Frog closed his eyes and began to sleep again. And a few minutes later, our long legs fly and to the smiling pool. Came the smiling pool. She saw the grandfather frog was sleeping. Our long legs crane saw our grandfather frog is sleeping on the lily pad. Okay. Frog was sleeping. That is what thought. She flew close grandfather frog. She fly to close our grandfather frog. Grandfather frog here asleep and our long legs crane fly and to near our grandfather frog. Okay. Coming near him and yonder open his mouth wide and open his mouth in wide. Head from he moved his head from one side to another. He moved his head from one side to another. Longlegs stopped and wait for grandfather fall asleep again. Grandfather frog, he moved his head to from one side to Longlegs stopped. Longlegs frog, our grandfather frog moved his head from one side to other. Our Longlegs waited for stopped and Longlegs stopped and waited for grandfather for fall asleep again. At last when Longlegs thought grandfather frog sleep, last Longlegs thought, oh, grandfather frog is asleep. She she tried to grab him in her beak. You can see her beak. He jumped at him and she tried to grab him with his beak and her beak. But grandfather frog jumped with a splash. Grandfather frog jumped with a flash into the water and swam away from Longlegs. Okay, swam away from the grandfather frog jumped to lily pool and splash and into water and swam away from Longlegs. Okay, here our Longlegs and Naughty Billy are okay. Did you like this story? Yes. Okay. Next is new words from this chapter. Please listen. Banks. The land of two sides of the river is known as bank. The land of two sides of the river is known as bank. Next is the lily pad. The round leaf of the water lily is known as the lily pad. Next, scare. Scare means afraid. Feel afraid. Brook. Next one is brook. Small river is known as brook. Next, nodded. Nodded means moved the head up and down and say yes. Okay. Mischief. Next one, mischief. Trick on something naughty. That means mischief. Wondered. Told someone be careful. Yonder opened his mouth wide. Okay. Okay, students. I hope all of you had understood the story, and now we are winding up your class. Thank you. Take care.